Hi, my name is Eshmalamte. In today's modern world, one of the tools that makes work easier and fun is the laptop. You probably one way or the other may use a laptop to achieve a specific task. People own laptops for different reasons, some for productivity, some for gaming, some for fun, and so on. What influences you when getting a new laptop? Is it the performance, is it the cost, or its beauty? Guess what? Today I'm making a quick review on the Dell Inspiron 5577 gaming series laptop, which is noted for so many great stuff. So without much ado, let's get into it. This is the Dell Inspiron 5577 gaming laptop. This laptop is purposely built for gaming. It is a Core i7 generation laptop with 16GB DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded up to 32GB. There is also availability of Core i5. The price of this laptop ranges between $800 to $1,000 depending on the specifications you want. It has 4 CPUs for Core i5 with a speed of 2.8 GHz and 8 CPUs for Core i7 with a speed of 2.8 GHz up to 3.5 GHz. It has a hybrid hard drive of 128 SSD, which is best for running the operating system and program files, and a 1 TB, which is best for storing files. The screen size of this laptop is 15.6 inches with anti-glare display. Now, anti-glare simply means it reduces the amount of sunlight that enters the screen if you are working outside or by the window, which also protects the eyes from straining. It has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, the graphics processor is NVIDIA GeForce, that is GTX 1050 with 4GB dedicated graphics memory, which is best for running graphics demanding programs as well as games. This laptop comes with 3 USB 3.0 ports, which makes it faster copying files to and external devices. It also has one headset jack, an SD card reader port, a network port, as well as an HDMI port. The battery can last up to 7 hours, that is if you are running basic stuff like preparing documents or listening to music, but can take you up to for about 4 hours if you are watching movies, playing games, or running high-end applications. It has one speaker which is at the base of the laptop here. It gives great sound. It runs Bluetooth 4.1, which makes transferring of files to and from the laptop to other Bluetooth devices a bit faster. It has red keyboard light, backlight, which is very cool, as well as it can also be controlled, or if you probably want to disable it, you can go ahead and disable it as well. What I don't really like so much about this laptop is that it doesn't have the IPS display, which can still gets great display from wide angles. That's so not cool about this laptop. It doesn't have that. And also the weight is 2.5 kilograms, which makes it a bit heavy. Now the adapter is also heavy, so imagine carrying the two around, it makes it much more heavy. So these are some of the things I discovered about this laptop. Okay folks, so this brings an end to this particular video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Now, I did choose this laptop because of its great performance. It helps me in being able to be productive. Aside one or two downsides we did discover about this laptop, but I think it's actually a great laptop and you should check it out. So there will be a link in the description where you can actually get to see more details of this particular laptop. So this brings an end to this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.